Hello, I'm Sandy Toogood and I'm delighted to be co-presenting a workshop with Dr. Nick Gore at the BABCP conference in Manchester. You'll find us at the Positive Behavioural Support Day on Wednesday the 24th of July. Nick and I will be talking about PBS and its defining features, focusing particularly on quality of life as an outcome and an intervention, and how we can operationalise quality of life in terms of activity and social engagement. We'll spend some time reviewing active support and how it has emerged as a way of promoting quality of life and preventing challenging behaviour through a system of universal or Tier 1 supports. We're excited to be able to share information about a brand new app that personalises and harmonises staff support for activity and social engagement at home and in community settings. The app helps staff to help the people they support to plan, to do, and to keep track of participation in everyday activities. Other features of the app include skills teaching, rapid behavioural assessment, graphs and charts, multimedia recording, digital personal profiles, incident reporting, and much more. We'll explain how the app works and show the app in action with a live demonstration. So please come and join us in Manchester to learn more about PBS and how we use it in people's lives. The conference theme is Catalysing Change, Ideas to Impact. We look forward to seeing you there.